Because I saw somewhere yesterday, I was reading, I think it was on the Guillain-Barré website or something, it was stating that nobody had been I don't know what if I'm saying the right words, that nobody had reported, or that Moderna and Pfizer had reported there hadn't been anyone who got Guillain-Barré from the vaccine, but I knew I had. And then there were 2 other people in the hospital when I was there who had it, just in my hospital alone. So, I mean, the vaccines are still in clinical trials, right? So doesn't this information help?
Yes, exactly. So the information does help. I mean, we're still gathering information as people are continuing to get the vaccine. So anything that we do receive does help for anything that happens in the future going forward.
Is everyone that's getting the vaccine in the clinical trial, or is it only some of the vaccines are in the clinical trial? I'm very confused on that.
No problem. Let me go ahead. Before I read or get that answer to you, I just have to read a quick disclaimer from Moderna and the FDA. So the Moderna COVID-19 vaccine has not been approved or licensed by the Food and Drug Administration, but it has been authorized for emergency use by the FDA under an emergency use authorization to prevent coronavirus disease 2019 for use in individuals 18 years of age and older. There is no FDA-approved vaccine to prevent COVID-19. The EUA for the Moderna COVID-19 vaccine is in effect for the duration of the COVID-19 EUA declaration, justifying emergency use of the product, unless that declaration is terminated or the authorization is revoked sooner. So that's that disclaimer.
Okay.
Let's see here regarding the clinical trials. So, okay. So there's the clinical trials are ongoing, actually. So this is all the clinical trials are still ongoing. The long-term protective efficacy of the Moderna COVID-19 vaccine is currently unknown. It is therefore not known whether a vaccine recipient who was exposed to the virus that causes COVID-19 will get mildly ill or have no symptoms. Results of the ongoing phase 3 study show that there are no cases of severe COVID-19 infection among participants who received the Moderna COVID-19 vaccine, compared with 30 cases among those who received placebo, which is no vaccine.
Okay, so only 30 people got that placebo?
In the phase 3, yeah. So there's been 3 phases. They're all ongoing because basically the people that got it the first dose, they're still looking at the long-term effects of it.
Right.
So they can't really say the trials are done necessarily.
Okay, so everybody who's getting these vaccines right now is in the clinical trial. It's not like some of us got it and some of us didn't. Like, everyone who's getting it is in and participating in the clinical trial.
Pretty much. I mean, yeah. Because,
okay.
Yeah.
Okay.